Hey YouTubers, in Helen's house and garden today I'm going to be checking out some kitchen storage. So if you do lots of baking and cooking, you might consume lots of flour. So I buy flour by the sackload, and that's okay, but where on earth do you store that much flour once the bag's opened? So I thought I would buy a big storage container, food grade. So I'm just going to open it and see what we think. This has literally arrived in the post. Hopefully it's going to be just the solution that I need. Now the one problem I have is whenever I get the delivery and there's tape or rustly things involved, I get a little helper. I don't know if you can see him. Monty's turned up to inspect what's going on. So what do you think, Monty? So let's try and take the lid off and see how it all works. Looks really nice and sturdy, really thick quality, food grade plastic. I know it's plastic, but something like this I envisage lasting for decades. So we've got a nice strong spring clip to secure the lid. Really strong top. Yeah, really impressed with that. Handles, because it's going to be quite heavy. And acres of storage. I think this one is actually 60 litres. That's about an 18 kilo bag of flour, so that should fit in there just perfectly. So I'm going to give this a wash and then put the flour into my brand new storage container. Chuffed with this one, I think it's going to be good. All the flour popped in there, fits in there really well. Very happy with the quality of this. It was about £26. Got this one from Amazon, and I think I'll probably get another one because I've got other flour. This is for my bread flour, and very happy with it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and then you'll get updates when I upload my next video. Take care.